What's cracking, everybody? We're back. Look, we're doing the negative posture prep. Got right here, got here doing the calipers. So yeah, they're all prepped up. Paint them today. I'll show you all the color. It's kind of like this though, low key. So, so that is the color. I told you, it's green on green. That shit, that's a pretty dead on match. You tell me. We're doing the calipers on them, and then currently working on my shit again, as always. Today's mission is we're gonna end up take these off, and we're gonna slot them. We're gonna slot the things so we can give it more tilt. Yeah, that's the plan today. We're doing negative posture prep. So not trying to do anything crazy on mine, but it's the back camber to the front. So I'm at -12 and 8. So I am trying to go. Originally I want 15 all around, or even 13. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm also waiting for 2 parts from Low Life Projects that should be getting here Tuesday. Kind of a close call because the show is on Saturday. So yeah, guys, fingers crossed. Again, welcome to the channel if you're new. If you're not, you've been rocking with us, welcome back. You know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe button. Appreciate it. Yeah, should be a little active Sunday, so I'm gonna start working because I don't have that much time. Tomorrow is Monday, we go back to work. Alright guys, be back. This episode was brought to you by, nah, I'm just kidding. You guys should sponsor me though. Perfect. So, I know a few of you were asking about, hold on. I know a few of you were asking about my top hats. Now don't judge. It's all custom work. So you know how most people, I'm gonna give you guys a little sauce right here, right? Just now this was one of my homies' ideas, but it worked. So I don't know if you guys know how some companies make that big fat plate so you don't have to cut this part. Well, sometimes they do work, sometimes they don't. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to spend the money. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But so what we did, I'll show you, is we put nuts backwards, kind of like as a washer, to give you that space, to give you this, you know, this clearance right here, so you don't, once my shit's all the way up, it doesn't hit anything. But yeah, so we might have trimmed this one. Oh my bad, y'all. This one right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, that one got trimmed too, so it doesn't hit right here. So yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna need to trim that part. It's only slotting this. This one's the tricky one because you got this right here. So these are cake. Got the compressor on, and then let's see, I'm doing on with this little thing over here. So using this shit. This shit does the job. Yeah, so let's start. Let's get this shit going. Start panicking? Ah! Alright, so coming out, it's coming out. Slowly but surely. good. Yeah. So this one's matched out. Almost. A little more. I'm gonna get it to the
Right where it's
curvy. So right now we're at -8 in the front. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to diagnose.
What?
Or you want to estimate how much we're gonna get, and let me know. But looky here. Who we got? We got 8 now. It looks like you got 7 degrees out of that. So let's see. I look like shit. So we got out of the right side. We were at 8. We were at -8. Now we're at. Fuck, I think we're at. 11 or 12? No.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I gotta double check after we do this, but hold on. I gotta double check. I mean, I'll do the measurement after so you guys can see what we got. But I know once I got the car line, it was -8 in the front and 12 in the back.
Apply the pressure with the VVS. I drive the foreign like it was a Chevy. Drive the foreign like it was a Chevy. Lift it up and gone and all set. Fuck a cougar like she Holly Berry. Future hinges, dirty sprite, legendary. Dirty soda in the styrofoam. Spill a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up a gas. Switch the lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting.
Alright, so we're done for the top. I'll put everything back together and then measure out what we got. I'll be back with the measurement. So what?
I got this! I got this! I got this!
Come on, man.
We're at the same.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, this shit fucking. Why is it moving?
You got 0, fool.
This shit's tweaking though. This should give me 1 fucking degree.
That don't make no sense.
Still an 8. Nah. What's the thought process? Stop painting. Got the calipers going on. So yeah, I ended up starting my shit. Sadly, I only got 1 degree out of that whole shenanigan. So Tuesday I'll be getting my fucking, what's that shit called? My extended lower control arms and my extended tie rods, and then that should give me what I really want. But yeah. What is up, YouTube? Here we got some goodies. So you guys are gonna do packaging with me today. So we got a couple goodies from our friends at Low Light Projects. You know. Shit, don't even need to. So first we got our extended tie rods, WWs, or the LCA's extension plate. So, yep, another W. And all the hardware with the washer. Alright, so we're gonna start installing this shit.
That shit on my bitches, taking my dose and never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol grip, and still got 100 bloods. Got that big.
No! I hope y'all could see that.
In my cup, stay with a bitch in a club, stay with my dick in a clutch, yeah. Little the king in a drink, so fuck out, don't fuck with LA. Sheesh, private jet, fuck out the lake. Went to Paris and back in the day. Okay, never, okay, bitch, stop asking. Came up supporting my family, just for that they should give me a Grammy. Right
Do the comparison. So that's your extension, pretty much. This is what they send. Nice.
Magistrate checking my fashion.
Ripping that motherfucker ground, ripping that money that color soul. Singing out loud another bitch, you think that I'm a lover, no. Reason I keep on shrugging, blunt is cash, let's keep on coming on it. We keep me from bugging, from seeking out more destruction. I'm a promise of time, but I know that these bitches want me to fly them out just because.
Alright, so I figured out that I do need those spacers, because if you don't run them, I'll show you guys real quick. Let me take it off the tripod real quick. Alright, get you guys a better look, because I wish I had a cameraman. Good man. Alright, yeah. So if you're running these and you don't run, I'm gonna get some clarifications. From what I can see, I try to run them without these spacers, and the problem I was running, if I don't run that spacer, you see this, hold up, yeah. You see this play right here, this adjustment, it doesn't let me do it because it hits the bottom bolt right there. If you don't run the spacers, it hits right, hold on, it hits right over here. So spacers make this, the spacers, oh shit, hold on, spacers pretty much do this. Alright, because I couldn't line it up to the second hole. You don't want the first one, or vice versa. Point is, if you run it on the last one, I've heard you do get axle and binding issues, so we're not doing that.
All these fine boys wanna be me, but they keep it on the low. And talk shit about me and my cousin while we down and through I go. All this fame is such a curse, sometimes I wish I wasn't close. Watch me raise the fucking dead next time I'm off stage at a show. Haunted, haunted, haunted.
What is geeking? Let me know when you'll see the UFO.
Come through sour truck, they thought they seen a UFO. Praying that I find me a plug with some cheaper dope. With my gun and I keep it low, feeling like.
Enough of this shit. Let me you guys seen this whole shit. So I'm gonna hop onto the next side, try to get as far as I can before it hits 10. Alright y'all, so battery's dying. Yeah, fuck, I'm up 4%. So I'm gonna cut it here. I probably got 1 more hour left because I do have to cut it. I'm gonna try to get as far as I can on the next side. You guys don't see none of that because you guys seen it, or at least hopefully you guys seen it. So I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow. Hopefully I get an axle by tomorrow or by Friday. No, I should be ready to mob, guys. Alright guys, so day 2. Oh shit, I forgot to get the axle. Alright, day 2 successful. We got all the everything on, the plates on, and we got the axle on too. Just kidding. Got the rest of the axle. So yeah, day 2 successful. This is where we at. Running 15 mil spacer, and that's the old guy room. So probably have to resize these bitches again, but for now this will do. Might run some 10 in the house that we got right there for the show. Still deciding. Yeah, so we'll hop back on this tomorrow. Just need the axle and we should be done and get this to the lineman. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. Go get them. I'm about to go get chill. Better go get my keys right now. My dumbass forgot my keys. But yeah, let's see. Look. Oh shit. Sneak peek, people. Sneak peek.
Hey, I thought about this, alright? On Saturday, if any of us break down on the cruise there, just make sure we get off the freeway, okay? And then the rest of us take off to the meet. Well, there's no point in everybody losing $50.
Oh no, no, we'll
Make sure
just.
the person that broke down gets off the freeway. Help them get off the freeway.
Oh no, we'll help them. We'll leave the car there and then.
No,
Yeah.
no, if it's me, you guys can go.
Oh no, I'll leave my car there.
I'm
But we're not gonna fucking break down. You're gonna cry in the car, huh? Like
not.
us.
I'd rather get a triple A back to my house.
Or to the show. I'll pull up in the. I'll still pull up like I'm here. Ready?
I think yours look nice.
I'm gonna do the eyeball alignment, but my dumbass forgot my keys, so
Yours matching me.
I'll be back. So I'm gonna head home, get my fucking keys,
No,
and
look
continue
at
this
the
vlog.
first one. Look, I can see him from here.
Yeah. About to drop it, they go with the Maybach. Ain't no more warnings, I'm telling you, stay back. All that loose talking, they come and relate it. I know the singles is getting outdated. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. Yeah, yeah. Fucking this bitch with that latex. Nigga ain't trim.
Alright. There's a lot of shit going on right now, so there's some cutting back there. There's some contemplating over here. And I'm about to fucking put my spacer, try to do the eyeball alignment, and then get it on the ground. Let's see what's going on over there. Let's see if we don't catch any fingers flying off. I'm gonna hit from the cut right here. See what the boy doing. But that's why you fucking up the disc.
I don't know why
It's getting caught.
It's overheating.
Just don't press it. Be gentle. Not everything has to be forced. Fucking brute force over there.
I know this bitch on the limb, charge it to Amex. Wait till we see him, I wanna catch no film, call it the payback. H.I. nigga, I'm him. Go on a $1 creme. Chocolate, baby, get Tim. I salute, you give a thrill. Running up, I need more revenue. Know when they head you stack up your M's. Another spot and I don't know if you go to my kid when I'm riding the wheel. I'm working out at the pay. I done got rich off my aliens. They come and pay me and they know the drill. Working on my little lady friend, getting Mercedes Benz came out this year. And I got an AMG chauffeur that's paid for the year. I'm about to drop it, they go with the Maybach. Ain't no more winners, I'm telling you, stay back. All that loose talking, they come and relate it. I know the singles is getting outdated. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. You wanna picture that nigga, just say that. Half a ticket all in, just say it. I handle it.
That's a new hive. Hopefully she can roll. We're gonna do a little test right now. Oh. No. Watch the back, you're gonna get off the curb. Yeah, I'm fucking stoked on this. So.
Where you been? We haven't even posted anything. I unsubscribed.
I know it's life's been hitting, bro.
I stopped riding with Lane.
You stupid. Yeah, dude, so I'm fucking stoked. This shit came out. Now you're rolling with him, bro. You're rolling with Lane now. So yeah, super stoked. I'm geeking on this one. Still gotta get the alignment on point tomorrow. I'll probably hop on this again when it's daylight. You guys can check it out. So for now, I'll see you guys later. So this is how this shit sits. Came out good. How she's sitting right now. Hey. I'm about to go to the alignment shop, so I'll catch you guys if you're hitting up the nigger posture. I am gonna be there with the crew, so catch you guys there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out, guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys with this little B-roll.
Maybach music.